The Google Remarketing tag is a piece of code that you put on your website that tells the Google Ads platform who has been visiting your website. And this enables you to re-engage with those potential customers on YouTube. Now, you can also do remarketing via the Google Display Network on websites across the internet, but we're mainly talking here about YouTube ads. Here's the problem. Almost nobody visits your website for the first time and makes a purchase or fills out a contact form. It doesn't happen the first time. That's why marketers say it usually takes at least 7 touches with your potential customer. Some say it's 13 times, 20 times. It's a lot of times before they actually buy. So you want to remarket to them using paid ads on YouTube. Unfortunately for marketers like me and you, there's a growing number of limitations these days on how you can use remarketing. But as of today, it's still an effective process on YouTube, so you want to make sure you get it right. Here's the tips.
Tip number 1, Google manages YouTube ads. Since YouTube is owned by Google, the Google side of things actually manages a lot of stuff for YouTube, and this includes the Google Analytics platform and the Google Ads platform. Tip number 2, Google Tag Assistant. The Google Tag Assistant, also known as the Tag Assistant Legacy by Google, will help you check if your Google remarketing tag is working properly on your website. Tip number 3, the Google Tag Manager. Some marketers use another product called the Google Tag Manager. This helps marketers manage code on the website without bothering the developers.
And check out this playlist for more great tips. My name is Dane Golden from the Video Marketing Business Academy, where we help you up your game on YouTube for business and transform your viewers into loyal customers. So click that next video. You do that and you'll be golden.